All right, you ready?
All right.
Let's do this.
One second.
You know, hey, Bahram, you know what you should do, honestly? Start back there and just sort of pedal up a little. Instead of starting from up there, because up there you're going downhill. You can't get, you know.
It's too sharp of a turn, but bro, I just torqued my handlebars off my front fork. I gotta straighten them now. Are you serious? Yeah, it's too much of a turn there.
There he goes. That's where people fall. You okay?
Okay. Take out your bike. Your bike okay? Yeah, it's okay. Anybody got an Allen key on them?
Give a thumbs up.